We haven't heard any interesting rumors about Apple glasses in a while. Apparently, the company's long-rumored augmented reality smart glasses are still a while away from coming out. So it seems likely that we will still have to wait a couple of years to see them. The Apple AR or VR headset is expected to come out first. Hey, guys, stay put until the end of this video because we're about to tell you the truth about the Apple glasses. Based on patent filings, Apple has been looking into virtual reality and augmented reality technologies for almost 20 years. With the release of ARKit, virtual and augmented reality are becoming more popular. So Apple is likely to release an AR or VR product sometime in 2023. Apple's first headset will enable mixed reality technology, which combines VR and AR capabilities. Although virtual reality and augmented reality are related technologies, they have different potential uses. While augmented reality refers to a modified image of the real world, virtual reality refers to an entirely immersive encounter in a virtual world. In the VR experience, the outside world is mostly ignored in favor of a wholly simulated one. However, augmented reality superimposed virtual features over your view of the outside world. A head-worn augmented reality device is Google Glass, a now mostly abandoned Google product. In contrast, a head-worn virtual reality device is the Oculus or PlayStation VR. Apple is developing both technologies, but the first version will resemble the Oculus headset more than Google Glass. Virtual reality is currently associated with gaming, but can also be used to simulate real-world situations for learning or instruction. Since it gives the wearer the impression that they are truly experiencing what is happening in the simulated world through tactile, visual, and oral feedback, VR is exclusively focused on immersive content consumption. The technology that Apple seems to be most interested in is AR, which doesn't depend on immersive content, and despite being less exciting, since it enhances reality rather than replaces it, has a larger range of possible uses. Mixed reality, which Apple's headset will support, is something we've seen in devices like Microsoft's HoloLens that integrates both augmented reality and virtual reality. Apple has a research unit where hundreds of people work on augmented reality and virtual reality and look for ways to use these new technologies in future Apple products. Over the last few years, the number of jobs in AR or VR has grown, and Apple has bought several AR or VR companies to help it with its work in this area. Apple glasses could use a custom operating system that was first seen in the final version of iOS 13. We like the name glassOS suggested. The augmented reality framework appears more than once in code and text documents, which indicates that Apple is probably testing activation and use in some way. This is what it will take for us to wear Apple glasses, no matter what. So, here's everything else we know about Apple glasses so far, including when they might come out, how much they might cost, how they might look, and what they can do. Apple is working on two kinds of AR projects, including an AR headset that may likely come out in 2023 and a pair of AR glasses that will be more stylish and come out later. There was some confusion about what was coming when because of the two projects, but now it's clear that first, there will be an AR or VR headset and then augmented reality glasses. Earlier rumors said that Apple's AR or VR headset would come out in 2022, maybe at WWDC in June. However, Apple is still having trouble with its development. Reliable sources like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said that the headset will likely come out in 2023, and the glasses will come out in 2024 or 2025. Interestingly, Apple is working on an AR or VR headset that will be a separate device with powerful A-series processors that will be on par with the performance of Apple's Macs. It will have two chips to handle complex tasks and virtual reality features. It will also be able to work without an iPhone or Mac. People who have seen prototypes say that the Apple VR and mixed reality headset has ultra-high-resolution screens and a cinematic speaker system that should allow for realistic visual experiences. The headset will look like other headsets on the market, like the Facebook Oculus Quest, but it will be slimmer and lighter to ensure it is comfortable. Two high-resolution micro-OLED displays with over 2,999 pixels per inch will create an immersive viewing experience. A third display may also be on the side for better peripheral vision. The headset will be built of textiles and other light materials to ensure a comfortable fit. According to reports, it includes a sleek, contoured visor linked to the face by breathable mesh and modular headbands. A backband constructed of the same material as an Apple Watch band keeps the headset on the wearer's head, while a soft mesh on the front of the face keeps the fit comfy. Headbands can be swapped out and the size adjusted. One headband, like the AirPods Pro, is touted to include spatial audio technology for a surround sound experience. At the same time, another is said to provide better battery life when you're on the road. The headset will also have the capacity to detect eye movements and hand motions from the wearer. A tactile dial on the side of the visor was also included in one iteration of the headset. The design prevents light from entering the wearer's field of vision by blocking out peripheral vision. There could be a visor that looks outward to show visuals to others. Current prototype headsets are estimated to weigh between 200 and 300 grams, but Apple hopes to reduce the final weight to about 101 to 201 grams if technical issues can be resolved. As a result, the headset would be lighter than competing VR gadgets. According to reports, the AR or VR headset would contain 2 or 3 screens. 2 tiny OLED displays with up to 3,000 pixels per inch and 4K resolution will be available. Apple is anticipated to receive its display components from Sony, but the company could alternatively employ Samsung's OLED panels. Micro OLED displays are produced directly on chip wafers rather than on glass substrates. This results in thinner, smaller, and more power-efficient screens. They can have pixel sizes ranging from 4 to 20 micrometers, whereas typical OLED panels can have pixel sizes ranging from 40 to 300 micrometers. They also respond faster in microseconds, making them ideal for augmented reality and virtual reality applications. LG Display will also provide a regular OLED display outside the AR or VR headset. The conventional OLED display will be a simple outside indication display that will not require the higher quality micro OLED technology that will be used for the dinner display. Apple will employ pancake lenses, which allow for a thin and light design. Fresnel lenses, which are used in most VR headsets, because of how close the headset clings to the face, users cannot wear glasses. However, a solution may be to cover the screens using prescription lenses. Apple is incorporating over a dozen cameras into the headset to capture hand gestures and movements. This will be one way to control the headset and eye tracking. Apple could also make input devices that you wear on your body. One of these could look like a thimble you wear on your finger. Multiple 3D sensing modules will be built in to detect hand gestures and objects around the wearer. Voice control, skin, spatial, and expression detection will also be built in. The headset will use spatial audio to give you an immersive audio experience and an immersive video experience. They are also making an app store for the headset. Most of the content will be games, video streaming, and video conferencing. REOS, a new operating system made just for the headset, will run on it. Since the AR or VR headset is a completely new product that uses cutting-edge technology, it won't be cheap. There have been rumors that it could cost more than $2,000. The headset will be mostly about VR, with some limited AR features. However, Apple has bigger plans for AR. Apple is expected to release augmented reality glasses that look like regular glasses but have AR capabilities after the AR or VR headset. In May, Apple showed its AR or VR headset to its board of directors. This indicates that the device is far along in its development, which means it is getting closer to being released. We still think it will come out in 2023. Real-world and digital content are combined to create new habitats where digital and actual objects can be seen and interacted with simultaneously. Though the specific experiences Apple's headset will offer are still unclear, we may expect immersive gaming, more engaging FaceTime and chat, and fresh teaching resources. That's all on Apple glasses. Where are they? What do you think? Do you think Apple will become successful in this adventure? Do you think they can launch the glasses earlier than anticipated? Let us know your thoughts and observations in the comment section. If this video is insightful for you, then go on and like this video. Please kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more of our updates.